Honestly, sometimes कहते हैं ना, reality is stranger than fiction even, and our films also. So I mean, right now what's really happening in the country, globally, it seems like a, I don't know, like a film almost.
Hello, Umar. It is wonderful to have you on Bollywood Hour.
Yeah, wonderful to be speaking to you, Faridun.
You're part of Leela on Netflix. It became a reality in the recent past. So somehow you've been part of ventures that have maybe foreseen the future in a way, and now we are having this coronavirus pandemic, which is.
Yeah, it's kind of very difficult times that all of us are in. Yeah, I mean, honestly, sometimes कहते हैं ना, reality is stranger than fiction even, and our films also. So I mean, right now what's really happening in the country, globally, it seems like a, I don't know, like a film almost. I think there's so many people, daily wage laborers, people who are homeless, people who are not as fortunate as a lot of us. They could possibly die of starvation, and I think these are very difficult times. So I'm urging everybody to contribute in any way. There are many organizations, non-governmental organizations that are working very hard at the moment. The government is working really hard. I have posted and shared on through my social media a lot of initiatives that citizens have taken. So anybody out there, please contribute. Please make sure that all your staff, your domestic workers, people, guards in your building, anybody who you know can reach out to and help. Please do not, please do not panic hoard. I think we've seen, abroad also, there have been so many cases where people have just gone to supermarkets and have bought everything. I think the government has ensured that basic necessities will be available. Compassion and empathy is the key right now.
Until a few months back, we were hearing all these talks of communal politics in India. Now everyone is talking about coronavirus, so that communal politics has gone for a toss.
Well, sometimes they say that in our most difficult times, we all remember that actually all of us are the same. And it's really unfortunate that it has to take like a crisis like this for all of us to realize that. But definitely, I think this is not the time to talk about politics. This is not the time to talk about differences. I think there have been so many beautiful cases of people coming together, communities coming together and helping each other. And we should really focus on those stories. Government has taken, I think, they are absolutely correct. So please listen to the authorities. Maintain social distancing. There are a lot of people I know even now who are thinking that it's not going to affect them or it's not going to touch us, but I think please do not do this. Like I'm requesting everybody, stay at home, stay safe, stay indoors. These are very, very difficult times. It's going to affect all of us in some way or the other. It is affecting all of us in some way or the other, so please don't this is not the time to think about our differences. This is the time to come together and really think of positive ways and constructive ways to come out of this crisis together.
And how do you think the film industry is taking this? Because no movies are going to release in the near future. What is the inside opinion that you are having?
It's going to be a very, very difficult time for the film industry for sure, but it's going to be a very difficult time for all of us. I mean, personally, if you ask me, yes, the releases are going to get affected. Of course, all our shoots, everything has been cancelled. There's a complete nationwide lockdown. And honestly speaking, abhi time वो भी नहीं है कि आप इसके बारे में सोचें. As an artist, as an actor, I always feel कि हमारा काम है लोगों को entertain करना. But actually right now what the most important thing is that we should be sending out messages of hope, and इस वक्त we have to, through our social media, through our voices, if we can create a chain, create a movement in which people are practicing whatever they need to do to stay safe. If we can, I don't know, make sure that the daily wage laborers and people who are really desperately in need of any aid, we can make sure that reaches them. फिल्में तो बनती रहेंगी यार, फिल्में बन जाएंगी, बट सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है लोगों की सेफ्टी, लोगों की हेल्थ, आपकी फैमिली, लव वंस की हेल्थ. सो आई थिंक even the film industry, I feel, has come together very beautifully. There's been a movement that started in which they're taking care and contribute and collecting funds to take care of all our daily wage laborers, and I think that's really, really incredible. I share it through my social media as well, and I really request everybody who's watching this to please come forward and think about everybody else in this time. Or फिल्में मतलब हो जाएगा जब I mean I am very hopeful that once this lockdown gets removed and all of this becomes okay, we'll all be here and we'll all be there to entertain you guys in the best way that we can. But right now I think I also feel like whether it's me or some of my friends or colleagues, what everyone's trying to do is just keep the morale high. Everyone's home, everyone's a bit like पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है, but at the same time just finding things to do which keep us spirits alive, because that's really important at this point in time. We have to believe that we together as a country can fight this, we will fight this, and we will come out of this much, much stronger.
So what is it that you have been doing in this lockdown period? I believe you have been cooking and making your father proud, from what I understand.
When we got to know that on Monday actually that this 21-day lockdown is going to happen, I started thinking, what am I going to do with my time? What am I going to do? And as I'm used to traveling a lot and always going up and about and not being at home at all, now suddenly to not have anywhere to go is going to be a big challenge. And then I realized there's so many things that we always push away. Like I wanted to learn the flute for the longest time, but I never put in the the practice required hours. So I find something to do in a day that just keeps my mind and my body sharp and keep me motivated. And as a creative person, I have to express myself creatively, so I try and find ways to do that. So yeah, and cooking is of course it's in my genes, as they say. So yeah, yesterday I cooked something, a very traditional recipe, and I was chatting with my dad on video call and I was showing him, and he was very proud, which made me really happy. So I said चलो कुछ नहीं तो और dad तो खुश हो गए कि इसी बहाने my daughter's gone to the kitchen.